Hello and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a great day and I want to wish everyone out there a happy New Year's. So in this video, I want to cover some additional information regarding the disbursement of the second stimulus check, as well as how the most recent stimulus bill affects the SNAP program. So you may be wondering, when are the second stimulus checks coming? To answer your question now, the IRS announced on Tuesday that it's already begun delivering second round of stimulus checks to millions of Americans who received a first round payment earlier this year. In fact, initial direct deposit payments started arriving for some people yesterday evening, and electronic payments will continue into next week. So check your bank account. You could see a direct deposit payment as pending or as a provisional payment in your account before the official payment date of January 4th, 2021. Second stimulus check payments are automatic for eligible taxpayers who filed a 2019 tax return. In addition, people who receive Social Security retirement, survivor or disability benefits, railroad retirement benefits, as well as Supplemental Security Income and Veteran Affairs beneficiaries who did not file a tax return will also receive a second stimulus check automatically. For those who get Social Security benefits and receive the first stimulus check via Direct Express, the second stimulus check will arrive the exact same way. Now, if you don't receive a direct deposit by early January, watch your mail for either a paper check or a debit card. The IRS has stated that they will start mailing paper checks Wednesday, December 30th, and the recent stimulus bill calls for all payments to be sent out by January 15, 2021. Now, to speed up delivery, some people will receive their second stimulus payment by debit card, but the form of your second stimulus check may be different than your first payment. So for example, some people who received a paper check last time might receive a debit card this time, and some people who received a debit card last time could receive a paper check. If you received a debit card, please do not throw it away thinking it's just junk mail. So just so you guys know, the debit cards will be issued by MetaBank and they arrive in a plain white envelope. However, I am told that this time the U.S. Treasury Department seal will be visible on the envelope. The Visa name will be on the front of the card and it will say MetaBank. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, do me a favor and tap that like button. It really helps me out a ton. Now, if you're saying, Joseph, well, how do I check the status of my stimulus check? The IRS said it's updating its Get My Payment tool for the second round of payments and anticipate those who qualify for a check will be able to see the status of both the first and second payments in the next few days. Now, the Get My Payment portal is available in English and Spanish. Now, if you're wondering, well, how does the IRS get your bank account information for stimulus check? If you remember, for the first round of payments, the IRS used direct deposit information from a few places. The first was your most recent filed tax return. If you received a refund by direct deposit in 2018 or 2019, they used that banking information. They also used the banking information you provided through the Get My Payment online tool and the banking information you provided through the non-filers Enter My Payment Info tool. Now, as far as what information the IRS needs to set up direct deposit, the IRS has not opened up its Get My Payment tool to new direct deposit submissions yet, but when it's time to provide your banking information, you want to have your banking information on file, your account type, routing number, and account number. Now, Jordan, the January 15th date is very important, and that is because this is the cutoff date in the $900 billion stimulus bill, by which time the IRS and U.S. Treasury must stop sending payment. Now, if you don't receive your second stimulus check money by January 15th, you'll need to claim all or part of your missing amount when you file your federal tax returns in 2021 through the Recovery Rebate Credit. You'll also be able to claim any money that the IRS owes you for the first round of payment. However, if you receive your stimulus payment through direct deposit, you're less likely to be affected by this dilemma. Now, in terms of the stimulus amounts, right now you can expect to receive a second stimulus check of $600 plus an additional $600 for each child aged 16 or younger. Now, these payment amounts are based on your 2019 adjusted gross income. $75,000 or less for single tax filers and $150,000 or less for married couples filing joint tax return. With these incomes, you should receive the full amount. For Americans with incomes above those amounts, the payment amount is reduced. Now, just so you guys know, there is a bill in Congress right now which is called the Cash Act that would increase stimulus checks to $2,000 for each eligible American, plus an extra $2,000 for each dependent. Now, this bill has already passed the U.S. House of Representatives and is now in the U.S. Senate for debate. If the Cash Act was passed and signed into law by President Trump, the IRS said it will issue the bonus amount as quickly as possible. The new stimulus bill is allocating $13 billion for the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, or SNAP. So starting on January 1st, benefits will be boosted by 15% a month for all recipients. Now, just so you guys know, SNAP provides nutrition benefits to supplement for food budget of needy families so they can purchase healthy food and move towards self-sufficiency. So the new stimulus bill provides millions of dollars to support food banks and programs such as Meal on Wheels. Now, another good thing is that it makes changes for the eligibility requirements for SNAP that will help Americans in need to take advantage of the program. Now, food insecurity has become a widespread issue during this pandemic. People are going hungry. We have a food crisis in this country that many people are not talking about. According to the Urban Institute, at the end of September, nearly 20% of all adults and 40% of those in a family where at least one adult lost a job reported food insecurity. Luis Guardia, president for the Food Research and Action Center, stated food hardship has increased significantly during the virus pandemic, especially for households headed by Black and Latino adults. So to summarize the changes to the SNAP program, based on the recent stimulus bill, all SNAP recipients will receive a 15% boost in monthly benefits that will run from January 2021 through June of 2021. So this amounts to about $25 more per person every single month. So for example, a family of 4 will get an additional $100 per month. Also, the $300 weekly federal unemployment boost in the bill will not count towards people's income when they apply for SNAP. So by doing this, it makes it a lot easier for more unemployed people to qualify. I have to say, I think this is a step in the right direction because it will help to make sure that some struggling families will not lose food assistance because they're receiving modest unemployment benefits. So under the new rules, an individual could get up to $235 a month. A family of 4 could get as much as $782 through June. In some states, the maximum benefit is actually higher. Now, the money will be sent to you each month on an EBT card, which acts like a debit card. People typically get their money in less than 30 days, but those with little to no income could get the benefits within a week. So there you guys have it, an update on the stimulus checks and when you can expect to receive them, as well as an important update on the SNAP program benefit. If you found value in the video, please be sure to tap that like button and share with others. That helps me out a ton. Also, feel free to leave your feedback below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell as I'm posting valuable information every week. Thanks again for watching, and until next time.